Winning a compensation worth mesothelioma lawsuit. Mesothelioma, the disease of mesothelium, is a painful one mingled with expensive treatment. Mesothelium is the covering around the heart, lungs and other important organ of human body. It protects the organs from injury when beating against the body wall. Usually in case of involuntary muscles in human body, as found in heart, stomach, lungs, etc., the mesothelium plays vital role. During respiration system the air is taken in, get purified in lungs and again the contaminated blood full of carbon dioxide is taken out. During the said purification process if there is any tiny or even microscopic particles are inhaled accidentally then those particles cannot come out easily from lungs and remain stuck in the mesothelium. If such dust particles get accumulated in large number in lungs, then it causes many kinds of lung-related or cardiovascular problems. In many cases it eventually leads to cancer, known as mesothelioma. This mesothelioma is then to be dealt with expensive medical treatment. Unfortunately, when mesothelioma shows up, it denotes terminally injured lungs. Along with the mesothelioma the required body strength to work and earn get decreased extremely. Considering the environment which should cause jeopardizing effect in man's life and health is the dusty environment in asbestos industries. So, to meet up the treatment expense and to get compensated for such peril, only effective option is filing mesothelioma lawsuit. Finding mesothelioma lawyers. A mesothelioma lawsuit can be instituted in any state depending on the chances to be awarded compensation. However, it is always wise to leave the decision in the hands of mesothelioma lawyers to decide the best jurisdiction for it. Mesothelioma lawyers can be found in any well-established law firm who work particularly with such cases on behalf of the firm. So, client does not have direct relation with mesothelioma lawyers. In some other cases individual mesothelioma lawyers can be found by searching through internet, yellow pages or other available resources. It is advisable that before choosing one for the mesothelioma lawsuit, it is wise to make a quick and small research regarding how many cases has been resolved in awarding the compensation, how much time was taken, etc. For the client the mesothelioma lawsuit is a two-way profit. If the case is won he will be awarded the compensation and if the case is lost the client does not need to pay a penny. Actually, the client does not need to spend a single penny since the beginning up to the end of the case unless it brings in some positive and fruitful result for him. A percentage is charged from the compensation awarded as the fees for the mesothelioma lawsuit, only when the compensation is awarded or in other words the case is won. Yet, mesothelioma lawsuit is a specific field of law requiring expertise knowledge. So, it is always better to get to find legal advice as soon as the decision for seeking legal redress is taken. Like in all other fields, the proper advice in time only can prove to be useful in long run. Permission is hereby granted to reprint this article as long as proper credit is given including the information handlings. About the author, Francisco Rodriguez. Do you need a mesothelioma lawyer? http://www.mesotheliomaattorneyfreeconsultation.com